Feeling calm and relaxed seems simple enough, and it is when you're at the beach, hiking in the woods, or enjoying an ice cream cone. It's trickier to tap into that sense of tranquility when facing the demands of the classroom. But summer can be a wonderful time to add to our coping toolkit and practice new techniques so they're there when you need them most. When we tune into our breath, it can help relax our bodies, reset our brains, and regulate our emotions. Begin with a 4-count breathing technique and notice what happens to your muscles, your mind, and your feelings. Explore other breathing exercises until you find one that works for you. Grounding uses sensation to bring your attention to the present moment and can help manage overwhelming feelings. Picking up an object, enjoying a scent, or even wiggling your toes can be forms of grounding. Practicing when you're composed makes it more likely you'll do it when your sense of calm is on its own vacation. Positive self-talk can help you overcome negative thinking, but it can be surprisingly tricky. Start by catching yourself. If a critical thought creeps in, take a pause. What would you say to a student right now? Chances are it would be helpful and supportive, so give it a try. I'm doing my best, or I'm still learning, can be good entry points until you master the habit.